If you're serious about precision woodworking, choosing the right saw matters. In this guide, we'll reveal the best table saw for cabinet making, built to deliver clean, accurate cuts and reliable performance for even the most demanding projects. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Metabo HPT Cabinet Making Table Saw. The Metabo HPT cabinet making table saw is a powerful and precise option for anyone serious about woodworking and cabinetry. This 10-inch compound miter saw is driven by a robust 15-amp motor, capable of delivering high performance even when tackling the toughest hardwoods. With a no-load speed reaching up to 5,000 RPM, it ensures exceptionally smooth and accurate cuts every time. One of the standout features of this saw is its thoughtful, user-friendly design. It incorporates thumb-actuated positive stops for swift minor adjustments, allowing woodworkers to switch angles efficiently without disrupting workflow. The large 10-inch table provides excellent material support, essential for handling larger cabinet panels and trim pieces. Additionally, the vise clamping system secures workpieces firmly in place, promoting both safety and cutting accuracy. Despite its power, the Metabo HPT cabinet making table saw maintains a lightweight and portable build. Weighing in at just 24.2 pounds, it is easy to transport to job sites and convenient to store when not in use. The compact form factor makes it an ideal choice for both home workshops and professional settings where space is at a premium. Versatility is another area where this table saw shines.
Number 2. SKIL Cabinet Making Table Saw. The SKIL Cabinet Making Table Saw is an ideal tool for woodworkers looking for a balance of accuracy, portability, and user-friendly features. One of its most notable aspects is the rack and pinion fence rail system, which ensures the fence remains parallel to the blade, providing fast, smooth, and highly accurate cuts. This feature is especially valuable for cabinet making, where precise dimensions and clean cuts are essential. The integrated folding stand is another practical addition, allowing the legs to fold quickly for convenient portability and storage. Whether you're working in a small home shop or moving between job sites, this saw adapts easily to different environments. Another impressive aspect is its parallel blade alignment system, which allows micro adjustments to ensure the blade remains perfectly parallel to the rip fence and miter slot. This fine-tuning capability enhances cutting precision and reduces the risk of material waste due to misaligned cuts. The SKIL Cabinet Making Table Saw also offers substantial cutting capacity, easily handling materials up to 4x4 at a 90-degree angle. The bevel capacity ranges from 2 to 47 degrees, with positive stops at 0 and 45 degrees, making it versatile for a wide array of angled cuts often required in cabinetry and custom furniture projects. A practical feature that improves the overall workspace cleanliness is the dust port elbow, which redirects dust into a container, making post-project cleanup simpler and more efficient.
Number 3. DEWALT 15-amp Cabinet Making Table Saw. The DEWALT 15-amp cabinet making table saw is a compact yet powerful machine designed for woodworkers who demand precision and durability. With 24.5 inches of rip capacity, this table saw easily handles 4x8 plywood and OSB sheets, making it ideal for cabinetry and other large-scale woodworking projects. Its compact size ensures easy transportation and storage without sacrificing performance. One of its most convenient features is the rack and pinion telescoping fence rails, which allow for fast, smooth, and accurate fence adjustments. This setup ensures that cuts remain straight and consistent, a necessity for detailed cabinet making. The saw features a sturdy metal roll cage base, providing increased durability and stability during operation, especially in demanding job site environments. An onboard storage system offers a tidy solution for organizing the blade guard, fence, wrenches, and miter gauge, ensuring all essential accessories are within easy reach. The SitePro modular guarding system enables tool-free adjustments of the guarding components, allowing users to tailor the setup for different cuts quickly and safely. A power loss reset function prevents the saw from restarting unintentionally after a power disruption, adding a layer of safety in busy workspaces. Whether you're cutting large cabinet panels or delicate trim pieces, this saw maintains impressive accuracy and performance.
Its reliable 15-amp motor delivers consistent power, and the thoughtful, compact design makes it a favorite among both professionals and serious hobbyists. Overall, the DEWALT 15-amp cabinet-making table saw is a reliable, efficient tool built to handle the demands of cabinetry work with ease.
Number 4. DEWALT Cabinet-Making Table Saw. Another excellent offering from DEWALT, this cabinet-making table saw is built for professionals needing a combination of large cutting capacity and portable convenience. The rack and pinion telescoping fence system enables smooth, fast, and accurate fence adjustments, ensuring precise cuts on every project. Its impressive 32.5-inch rip capacity allows users to easily cut larger shelving and trim materials, a significant advantage when working with full-size panels or wide cabinet pieces. A patented material support feature allows for narrow rip cuts, adding flexibility to handle intricate cabinetry work. The rolling stand is designed for easy setup and breakdown, with excellent stability during use. Its telescoping fence rails retract to create a compact, portable package that doesn't compromise cutting ability. The flip-over ripping fence enhances versatility by allowing narrow rip cuts that would otherwise be difficult on standard setups. Onboard storage provides a practical way to keep essential components like the blade guard assembly, fence, riving height, miter gauge, and wenches organized and within easy reach. This saw also includes a cord wrap for neat storage when the tool is not in use. Built for durability and ease of transport, it's a top choice for cabinet makers who frequently work on-site or need to move their equipment. Its combination of high rip capacity, precision adjustment systems, and portable design make this DEWALT table saw a standout performer for cabinetry and woodworking tasks.
Number 5. DOVAMAN Cabinet Making Table Saw. The DOVAMAN Cabinet Making Table Saw is a versatile and feature-rich machine tailored for woodworkers tackling diverse materials and intricate projects. It stands out with its multi-material cutting capability, supported by dual speed settings of 5,000 RPM and 3,200 RPM, allowing for precise, clean cuts through wood, PVC, and soft metals. The saw comes equipped with two 40-tooth and one 48-tooth TCT 10-inch blades, offering users flexibility for different types of cuts and materials. One of its most appreciated features is the extended cutting range, supported by a 13-inch sliding rail and extendable side tables. This setup provides a cutting capacity of up to 13 inches, making it suitable for handling larger cabinet panels and wide boards. The ergonomic ambidextrous design ensures comfort and ease of operation for both left and right-handed users, enhancing its accessibility and safety in diverse workshop settings. Precision cutting is further guaranteed with a built-in laser guide, a feature particularly valuable for complex cabinetry projects requiring meticulous detail. The laser ensures every cut aligns perfectly with the intended cut line, reducing errors and material waste.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.